When someone keeps missing their to-dos in your level 10 meeting, the easy move is to call them out in front of the team. But at the end of the day, that's not leadership. That's reactionary, and it will erode trust faster than it builds accountability. My name is Chris Beer. I'm an integrator and just a regular everyday user of the EOS toolset. And believe me, like you, I've had many experiences with teams who are getting sloppy with to-do completion. And you sit back and you say, how do I reverse this course in a way that's actually meaningful? So here's how I handle it with the greater good of the company in mind, and I hope it's helpful. First, I start off with a one-on-one with the person who's repeatedly missing their to-dos. It's really important here to assume best intent. I know you're frustrated, but know that no one wakes up today saying, oh gosh, I can't wait to let my team down today. So here's the format. In the one-on-one, I use a simple ABC check. So the A is awareness. In the framework of EOS, do they actually understand what a to-do is solving for? So remember, a to-do is not just a task, it is a commitment that you are making to your team to move an issue forward within 7 to 14 days. That's a really big deal. And we want to make sure that they have that awareness, that context. They know it's so important. Next, B, buy-in. Do they truly own the to-do? Or is this something that we rushed through IDS and we just threw their name on this action item without getting understanding and alignment? Make sure they buy in. Lastly, capacity. This one is huge and this one pops up a lot. If your A players start slipping, it's probably not laziness, and you know that. But what is it? It might be a capacity issue. And that could be time management issues, that could be competing priorities, it could be too much on their plate. It could be something in their personal life. Check in to make sure the capacity is there. And then if you've addressed all three and they're still dropping the ball, then yes, it's time to bring it to the team. But why? It's not to shame them. It's because everyone already knows. And so in a way, it's helping the team care for each other. Because without that, the ignorance of the issue is going to erode the trust quietly. But by taking what the level 10 meeting is built for, taking those 5-minute reporting sections that really shake the tree fast, they surface the missed to-dos, the slipping rocks, the off-track metrics. All of those things pop up, and they are opportunities for the team to grab it and really address those issues with genuine care and concern for the team, genuine care and concern for the organization. That's that opportunity where you can turn friction into progress. So I like to go back to the book People. It's an amazing book if you haven't read it. And there's a formula in it that says the greater good is every word of the VTO times genuine care and compassion. So keep that as your North Star. You can hold your team to the standard. You can have high expectations for everyone and at the same time still holding space for the humans who are humans and